This is isometric and dynamic neck. And so we're fortunate enough to have neck machines here. Neck machine, we have the weight strapped, a dumbbell here strapped into the device, and we have our head straps right here on the opposite end. If you're not fortunate enough to have a neck machine, we're going to demonstrate with the plate as well. And so, Melvin, if you wouldn't mind lying on the bench, please. First of all, we're going to demonstrate isometric neck. Isometric neck, we're going to do it in all four directions. Isometric, meaning one length. So Melvin is just going to hold the weight in one place. This is forward neck. So Melvin has the strap on his forehead. He's going to lift it off the ground. Head just to stabilize the strap. And he's just going to hold it there for the desired amount of time. So relax, please, Melvin. Make sure you lower the weight slowly onto the ground. Backward, please. So now Melvin's going to go onto his stomach, put the weight strap onto the back of his head, and demonstrate isometric neck this way. So this is the second direction. Weight on the back of his head. He's going to lift it off the ground, and he's just going to hold it there for the desired amount of time. Relax, please, Melvin. Notice how every rep, Melvin lowers the weight slowly to the ground. The third way, he's going to choose a side. So he's going to lie on his side right now. Then he's going to put the weight strap on his head. And right here, same thing goes. He's going to lift the weight off the ground, and he's going to hold it for the desired amount of time. Making sure your neck is flexed at all times, and slowly lower the weight. Good. He's going to switch directions. This will be the fourth direction on his opposite side. Make sure when you're doing this exercise, your head is not tilted towards the ground, it's always flexed. Lift up the weight and hold it there for a desired amount of time. Relax, please, Melvin. Good job. And that's isometric neck. Now, we're going to show you the same thing. We're going to show dynamic neck with the neck machine as well. So, Melvin, if you want to show, we're just going to show you one direction for this. Keep in mind, you're going to do it all four directions. So, Melvin, choose one direction for me, please. Dynamic neck. Dynamic neck means it's going to be moving the weight throughout the repetition. For week 1, it's going to be 3 seconds down, pause at the bottom, and explode up. So Melvin's going to explode up, pause, 3 seconds down, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, pause, explode up. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, pause, explode up. Good. And those are 2 good repetitions right there. Relax. Good. Now we'll demonstrate quickly. If you have a plate to use, keep in mind, start light with this, especially if you've never done it. A 45 is pretty heavy weight, so you can start lighter than this. Right. So now, if you wouldn't mind just demonstrating how you place it on your head. Usually I like to prefer the circle in the middle, right on the crown of your forehead. You can perform isometric neck like this, hands on the side of the weight, just to stabilize it. And he'll hold for the desired amount of time for isometric neck. So would you mind demonstrating the repetition of dynamic neck for us, please, Melvin? So 3 seconds down, pause, explode up. And then 3 seconds down, pause, and explode up. Good, relax, please, Melvin. Good breath. And so that's isometric and dynamic neck with the plate. So you can do that all 4 directions. So keep in mind, isometric, you're going to hold in one direction. Dynamic, you're going to move throughout the rep, keeping in mind the tempo. That's isometric and dynamic neck.